Hey guys, come and check out this amazing white custom Restomod K5 Blazer built by the guys here at Velocity. What we do here is we take these classic vehicles and modernize them so you can use them every day. This vehicle is no exception. Paint color, like I mentioned and is obvious, is white. The whole truck is white. It's a really, really nice white. It's not got different tones underneath it. I was going to say a dark white, but that wouldn't make sense. It's a really nice ice white, which is really, really gorgeous. Black trim, lower trim here, which is a really nice detail, and then chrome elements all around on your wheels, your side mirrors, your badging, your door handles, all that good stuff, chrome. Those are the three main colors. Coming down the side of the vehicle, then you're going to notice this full 6-point cage. That's really nice. 3-point harness seat belts for the back occupants too. So if you've got kids, this is a great truck. Opening the tailgate here, you're going to see that you've got an absolutely load of space, ton of room. Wrapped line for the back of the tailgate, so when you're pulling luggage up and down or putting stuff in the back, you're not going to scratch damage this. But you've got carpet, really plush carpet in the back here too. Loads of space, really, really nice. Check out the interior then. You're going to notice it's a chocolate brown leather, very plush, very nice. But what we've done is we've kept the actual stitch pattern and the design really simple, very much an OEM kind of look, really, really original. You've also got lots of modern technology in the interior. Apple CarPlay, touchscreen head unit, brand new AC system, all of that good stuff to get you where you need to go. For drivetrain in this vehicle, we have a brand new engine and transmission. The engine is the GM LT1. It's a 6.2 litre V8, brand new crate engine producing around 460 horsepower with lots of low-end torque, which is good application for a big truck like this. Behind that is a 10-speed automatic transmission, the 10L80, super smooth transmission, really reliable, really great application. Means that this vehicle is fully capable of highway speeds, super fast, also can stop very quickly. You've got a hydro boosted Willwood disc brake system, so disc brakes all around. The chassis on this vehicle is a brand new 4-link coilover Roadster Shop chassis. What does that mean? It means that the truck drives very, very well.